I'm Mackenzie Zerby from MCA Live, and I'm here with Miss Elena Maher, who's a representative of the Red Cross Blood Drive Services of Northeastern Pennsylvania. So, Miss Maher, tell us about the importance of donating blood.
So it's really important to give blood. There is no other alternative for patients who need it. It can't be manufactured. So our patients in this region and in all regions rely on the generosity of donors. And it's also, what's really interesting that people might not realize is when you think about giving blood, you think about who needs it. And you think of traumas in hospitals and emergencies and things like that. But what a lot of people might not realize is that patients in cancer treatments, patients with anemia, sickle cell disease, a bunch of chronic illnesses actually require regular blood and platelet transfusions as part of their ongoing treatments.
I didn't know that. That's actually pretty interesting.
So a lot of people need blood.
So if someone wants to donate, what should they do to prepare?
Really important. They should eat a good meal. They should drink lots of water. Drink extra water the day before, the day of, and after. You will feel 1,000,000 times better after your donation if you drink lots of water. You should also try to get a good night's sleep. You should be feeling relatively well that day. If you have a cold, you should put off donating until you're feeling better, because we want you to feel just as good after as you do before.
So what should you avoid or to do more of after?
So it's really, you are giving a pint of your blood, so you're going to feel a little bit different afterward. So you might want to take it easy for about 24 hours. You can still go about your typical activities, but if you're doing something really strenuous, maybe if you have a sports practice, you might want to consider taking it easy after you donate. You should, again, drink plenty of water after you donate, have another few good meals, and try to get a good night's sleep. And within 48 hours, you'll be feeling great.
Okay. I'll keep that in mind just in case I donate.
There you go.
So I understand that the need is really critical. So tell us about that.
So blood is needed every single day, as I said before, because it's not just for those emergencies. It's 365 days a year for treatment. So what we find is that we need, in this area, in northeastern Pennsylvania, we need to collect around 125 pints of blood every single day.
That's a lot.
For patients in this area. So that's every day. So that includes holidays, that includes weekends. So it's really important that we have that blood. When we don't collect that amount of blood, we run into a situation where we're in a shortage, and that's where we are now.
Really?
So it's really critical right now for people to give blood. It's wonderful that you're hosting a blood drive now because it's really needed. And if you know your blood type, we specifically really need type O blood, but we do need blood of all types. There's a less than a 3-day supply of type O blood. So that's important because it's the blood that doctors reach for when they don't have time to type a patient's blood. So all blood types are really important, and if you can come out and give at this blood drive, that would be wonderful.
So are they going to be able to find out your blood type there at the drive, or do you need to know that?
That's a great question. You do not need to know your blood type. In fact, when you donate, you'll get a kind of a summary of your donation, and you'll get to know all of your blood stats. You'll get to learn your blood type. You'll get to have your kind of information all in a neat little donor card area. So you'll now be more informed about your health.
Well, that's actually pretty cool. So I heard there is a special promotion for those that donate up to January 19th, which includes the people in our area.
There is, and this is going to be exciting for a lot of people because everyone that donates up to January 19th will automatically be entered into a sweepstakes for the chance to win a trip to the Super Bowl.
I know a lot of people will be excited for that.
Now this includes the Super Bowl itself, a bunch of the Super Bowl experiences leading up to it. It includes airfare, it includes hotel stay, and a $500 spending gift card, among other things. So it's a pretty exciting partnership with the NFL, and we're really, really thankful that they are offering it to one lucky donor.
I think that might draw a lot of people.
I hope so.
So is there anything else that you would like to tell us?
Only that, I think a lot of people that maybe donate for the first time, especially in high schools, might be nervous. And I just want to let everyone know that you're actually only on the blood donation table, the actual donation bed, for about 8 to 10 minutes. So you're not sitting there for an hour with a needle. It's not as scary as you think. Our phlebotomists are wonderful, and if you're nervous, they'll hold your hand. They're used to that. So even though the whole process takes about an hour from start to finish, you're actually the actual act of donating itself is about 8 to 10 minutes. And afterward, we'll feed you cookies and give you some juice. So we hope it's a positive experience for everyone, and your donation can actually help up to 3 patients.
Well, thank you for giving us this information, and I hope that everyone kind of has more of an idea and maybe more people will come out to donate.
That's wonderful. Thank you. And I also just want to remind everyone to please bring their photo ID when they come to donate, because you will need that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So the blood drive is Friday, January 17th, which is this Friday, from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., and the public is invited.